Jersey number 15, Cherry Lumino. Team 5, jersey number 10, Dulag, and jersey number 24, Rolando. For Gospel Christian, starting 5, jersey number 18, Labaya, jersey number 13, Pagbilawan, jersey number 8, Mandale, jersey number 19, Can, and jersey number 11, Panugay. We will now begin our championship match and tip off the game. Bola sa 28, to the ball. Bola back. Bola sa Hotel 50.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
On the line is Fernando Malo. Fourth rebound by number 15. Nangipag ko ba? Ginawa ang bola. Number 15. Over ang bola.
Nice going! Nice going! Going! Evans! Kira dong, kira dong.
Our score is 4-4. Time remaining 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Jersey away and the line wins. Jersey number 8. Number 28 is Managaya, the number 15. Passes too far. Number 8. He's fouled. Number 15, Jackson foul.
Defense! Defense!
Number 9,
Defense! 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 Defense!
Number 24. Binigay sa kanya ang bala.
Defense! Defense!
May people. Substitution net. Lawan ang musuh. Tulog ang nagawa. Number 24.
Ah! Nice! Tingin mo, babe.
Score 9 against 8 at Riverhouse, South 59. Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. First attempt.
Sir Landong! Sir Lang! Sir Landong!
Number 11 at the water.
Wala. Go, 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 go. Kasi lang oras ka na. Bulanyo! Bulanyo! Kinanong! Kinanong!
Nakuha gahapon. That's the count. Good one. Inbound. Nakuha. Number 24. Para sa Pinakaupan. Number 9. Block back to Ilawan. Number 10. Stepping on the line, substitution run.
Pogi ada! Ay, pagkulba-kulba dia.
14 seconds to shoot.
Na, kana, kana. Kana, kana, kana. Kana, kana, kana. Kana, kana, kana. Kana.
Number 11.
Loya. Kina dong. Dong. Kina. Kina dong. Ay. Ah.
Substitution run. Number 20, first round. And remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. For round 11, number 13, second set. And after count, that breaks the board. On there's a steal by number 18, substitution left. Number 27,
Thank you so much for everything.
the lead number 1. Number 1. Pinira, wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18.
Lock.
One on down. Same ball position. 14 seconds to beat. Holding down.
Tamayo! Tamayo! Tinadong, smile.
Number 13 again.
Lock.
No good.
Maudua. 13-11.
Ladies and gentlemen, this championship game is brought to you by Nike, Mindanao, Aksara Studios, Salim Resort, Le Minerale and Energy. We would also like to thank Xavier University for allowing us to use their covered court for this event. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Score 14 against 11 in favor of Corpus Christi Knights. Players back to the hard court. Oh, hello. And we are back. Inbound for Beijing League. We have number 11, number 25 with the ball. Number 28, number 25,
Guys, dong, dong, dong. Tapi. Kira dong, kira. Bawa, bawa, bawa.
Time remaining 33 seconds. Wala pa kalaban.
Rep, amo rep. Rep. Defense, defense, defense. 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 Kira dong. Kira.
I repeat, 19 seconds remaining. Number 17 from down in the ball. Nilipakat sa pasang. Number 28. Here goes. There goes. Rebound by jersey number 8. 10 seconds. Pull out shot. 3 seconds. 3, 1. Now on the play. quarter.
Defense! Defense!
Tayo sa ating laro. And we are back. Ipasa ang jersey number 2. Number 27. Waragan. Kapatama na niya. Number 27. Number 2. Put back. Number 2. Pass the shot. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Ang ating bagong balay.
Defense! Defense!
Number 14, walking foul. Substitution.
Sure lang dong!
Napayot niya ang kami sa salok. Kasi meron shooting sa salok. Number 25, second and last pass. On the line. Last shot. 1 point. Jersey number 25. Number 5, wait. Ulitin po number 11. Number 8, Mama Lalay. Mukhang baka na lupat. 2 points. Number 25, number 25, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Number 2. No good. Number 10. Nakuha ka ng bilangan ng jersey number 13. Napapatay ang number 8. Low shot. Oh! No good.
Sige lang, sige lang! Sige lang, sige lang! Hey, hey, hey! It's okay!
Number 17, got it. He's a pass. No good. Number 13, Score 27 against 19. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 8. Jersey number 11. Lahat sa mga taga-JJE. Mahatag. Hatag yung number 27.
Sige, go, go.
There's a foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 5. Score is 29 against 19. Number 17, nagmakalakas. Binigay, nakuha sa campus. Number 11 with the ball. Number 20. Jimmy Cole.
Silang. Nice.
Number 15, number 2. Number 15, Gagaling, nilupad, umabot ng bilawan, nilupad, nilupad, number 27, with the ball again. Walk, nagkabola, number 13, there's a foul. Foul, there's number 27, blocking foul. Number 52. Number 17, being guarded by number 5. Nakalisok sa 17. Number 5. Number 17, 2 points. Hey, Gagaling, number 11. Iyot ko pa. Number 24.
Wow!
Number 18, Magmamabalik, David, Benjamin, number 8, 3 points. Number 17 with the ball. Oh, nawala, ituyog. Di-time, ditandalawan, no good. Oh, pinapon. And there's a foul. Substitution left. Number 24 on the line.
Nice yan, camera.
Number 24, first free throw.
Sarang wala.
The first substitution.
Salang!
Shot is up. No good. Rebound, number 13. Ahead to number 8. Number 8, Rudong, dapat ke number 18. 18, dapat ke number 19. Number 24, 55 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Number 11, number 24, dapat ke 28, okay?
Bawi adong.
Number 17. Oh, natawan sa pambilangan. Steve. Ihatag. Oh, sinabi yan na. Ito. Jersey number 13. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 21. Substitution left. That's the count. 1 point. Reserve, 20 reserve. Remaining time, 20.
Talong!
Last 20 seconds in this second quarter. 21 with the ball. Lumos one, and there's a turnover. 10 seconds remaining. The pass is too strong. Ball down. 5 seconds remaining. Once again, 5 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 4, 3, 2, and there's a foul. Good foul there. Foul will
Penalty!
be 50 penalty. Number 28.
Go, Tami!
First shot.
Nice!
That's the shot. 1 point. Jersey number 28. Second attempt. And point. 2 points. Jersey number 28. 1 second remaining. And time for the first half. Score 39 for our third quarter. Number 28 passes to the corner. Was ready. No good. Rebound out to the
Nice!
22. 2 points.
Kana!
Number 17. Bounce pass. Ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 12. Number 28 is there. Number 12. Lihakat. And ball is out of bounds. Una sa outlet. Jersey number 18. It's on the break. Lihakat kay number 27. 27. Magandang kalaban. Number 18. Nilosot. Number 18. Over the defender. Over. Rebound number 18. 2 points. Jersey number 18.
Bawi!
Lahat kayahan number 22 mga kauban. Nilusot. Yatag sa wing. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Cambilawan. Grabe ka na po. Number 27. Number 18. Number 18.
Kaya!
Cambilawan. Nila kapasan. Ball out of bounds. Long goal shot to Jersey 18. Number 25. Nilusot. Napilit. Natira. Dua ni number 27. Number 27. Gadalik na po siya. Gadalik. Nilusot. No good. Good foul left. Foul Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, third personal foul. La Playa, 3-27. Whoop, no good. Buhan number 17, no good yapon. 3 seconds, wala. And there's a foul. And the player is down. Foul Jersey number 15. 2 free throws.
Ay!
Di paligid ng bola. Para bigyan ulit ang oras. Ilan ang kukunin. Ilang dapat sa ilalong.
Sayang. Isa lang, isa ba dong? Dong, dong! Umbay, it's okay, Umbay.
Number 27, yata kay 11. 11, yata pala kay 27.
Diretso dong, diretso dong.
And number 17, Nico, 17.
Grabe, rep.
Bola gihapon. 30.
Kaya wala na mag-chugod.
Pambilangan. Yung ginapit sana. Time out.
Oh, play na na. Nanay, pagkaulay lang.
And here now. Number 28. Oh, there's a foul. Jersey number 11. Number 28, number 15. Equal line jumper. No good. Wala. Wala. Sa orto sa bola. Number 8. Jersey number 18. Oh, Yakit 11, Ilusot, Yakit number 8, and it's a 3-second violation ng itlog. Wala na po, hindi na oras. Wala, dili na muhulog, maraming time na siya. 28, lumusot, oh, dako kayo ng kontra. Number 1, no good. Number 10, put back. Wala gapon. Nakuha natin ng number 10. 28, 2 points. Jersey number 28. Dili basta-basta nalusukan ang pader sa korpo. Number 8, ibalik kay 18. 18, ilusot. Pass number 8. No good. Number 10 with the rebound. Nakita sa kusahan. Ikaw pa ang number 15. Number 15, wala ka balik. Foul, jersey number 17. Bola na ba? Number 11, 2 points. Basket count. Number 11. Score is 51 against 35 in favor of Corpus Christi. Number 28, oh, nakalusot. Number 28, ipahal na yung kaoban. 2 points, no good. Wala, ang ilog. Number 27. Magdagan, ahead to number 18, pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound to JJE. 28, ilog 1. 2 points, number 28. Time remaining, 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 11. 27 for 3. 3 points, number 27. Oh, no good. One out of bounds. That's the good one. One minute, 7 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Tamayo for 3. Short. Rebound by Porto. Working for the goal. Ahead to Balin. Balin for 3. Number 1, Idol of the ball. Oh. Number is scoring, and Boya. Substitution left. 47 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Score 54 against 37 against Silverhawk. Focus 52. Traveling around halfway, jersey number 27. Nawala number 25 para magawa ng bola. Time remaining 35 seconds. Nakuha ni Alvin. Alvin gerakan ke tengah. Ini satu kesalahan. Oh, kita dalam televisi pasang number 15 and he is fouled. Who's fouled? Jersey number 4. Two shots. Jersey number 15. Time remaining 20 seconds. Basket count. Time remaining 20 seconds in the third quarter. Two points, number 15. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 18, Nilu Walk. Oh! Execution, no good. Number 25, wide open layup, 2 points. Quarter. And we are on the way for our fourth and final quarter. Jersey number 18, pass number 8 for Caribbean, no good. Rebound in 18, Louis-Van Dunker. Jersey number 18, 2 points. Lagi ka kumain, usog mo na yan. Number 28, number 9 for 3. Number 7, And it's a double dribble. Turnover on this crucial time. Number 28 to the ball again. Will he make another miracle? Number 9, Lumosok, 28. Substitution. Joseph Christie having such crucial turnovers at this time of the game.
Let's go, David!
With 5 minutes and 30
Let's go,
seconds
David!
in the fourth and final quarter. Who will be our champion? Walang pakabalo. Number 28 to the goal line. Their jersey number 18.
Guys, can I bring a view?
Corpus Christi having its first team fouls. Palapit na penalty with 5 minutes remaining. Number 15 back to 17. 17 no good. We are in the Corpus Christi having no basket in the quarter. Jersey number 13.
Gabay, Guten!
Is back up to 5. Score 60 against 55 with 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Kambilawan on the line. Will he win the bonus control and extend the lead back to 6? Kambilawan, basket no good. Ayulugan. Nakulugan. Number 18.
Yawa!
17. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Corpus Christi. Time remaining 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Number 18. Defense. Jersey number 18. Number 17. Open with that. Too strong. Nakuha nila ulit. Nabalik yung jersey number 28. Pass the corner. Chopper. Chopper. Number 18. Bola na bang. Balik sa Corpus ang bola. Score 62 against 55. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 27 to number 11. Number 11 wide open. Too strong. Rebound by the big man. Number 17 has gone on ulit. 2 points. Number 17. The lead is down to 5. Ahead to number 17 against Tamayo. Is good. Number 17, 2 points. Number 9 with the ball. Back to number 15. Oh, the foul. Substitution next. Foul jersey number 13 from Dilawan. Timeout. Number 15 on the line. Full shot. And no good. Number 15. 1 point. Number 15. Number 8 back to number 18. Number 17. Gipaling na number 28. 17 lumusot against number 1. Number 27, Jesse. What? Tapos ito over. Jersey number 11. Sabali. Intercepted. Same ball possession. Last 2 minutes. Number 11, number 27. To the point, jersey number 27. Number 15. You have to get 17. You have to get 17. Yeah. Jersey number 13, unsportsmanlike foul of Pablo Cristi. Jersey number 15, number 24. Basket touch, one point, jersey number 15. Number 15 again. No good, jersey number 13. Same ball possession. Albert goes to number 25, putting it on the ball. King number 28, and number 2. Stolen by number 25, sidestep, over, rebound, number 18. Nakuha na number 11, binigay ka number 7, wala gapon, nagsilong sa mula, nagkawang-kawang, number 25, lumapat ni number 1. Rejected. Nakulang i-Tamayo. Ngayon, Tamilawan. Tamilawan. Under 25 for 3. Airborne, rebound by President. 25 seconds remaining. Number 11. Seven seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.